I would come back to your namesake scene where you give a phone call to your wife stating that you're not feeling well, just came for a regular checkup. That particular scene, I mean, was it easy to, or you did special preparation? Because for me, I think that's the best emotion somebody can project.
That scene, because Meera shoots, first shoot, and she's a taskmaster, Danda leke. That day we were shooting my kids' birth, my wife coming to the hospital, then the whole issue of when the name issue. There were 5-6 scenes that day. I was not concentrating on anything. I was thinking about that. But I thought these scenes I निकल जाएंगे. That scene I had to. That's the key scene. So I was internally preparing for that scene. My death was also there that day. And that was terrifying for me because I had this, maybe, I don't know when I overcome that. I have claustrophobia like a problem. I couldn't watch a scene. In my life, only once I couldn't watch one scene was Kill Bill where they put her in that. I couldn't. First time it happened. So, in that scene, what they were doing, there was this real monk in the hospital. And there were bodies inside. And they were cool. And it was like, I was supposed to get inside the morgue, my body, and they were supposed to lock it. Then they'll say, camera on. And then वहाँ से चल के आएगा पूरा गैलरी में से चल के आएगा तो नर्स आएगी नर्स देखेगी फूल करेगी तब तो के अंदर I started shaking. I said, fuck you, don't please please Irrfan yaar, break Jahan. And she was also showing concern. यार कैसे यार तो मैं गया पहली बार जब मैं गया was like the juice. So you know the sound of refrigeration. I was terrified. Like they when they took me out in the shot, put my eye through. It was a tension. You said, "Father, you can't even answer that." So then next time, I said, let's see what. Then when they pushed me inside, I opened my eyes, I looked here, their bodies, and I got comfortable with them. Then the third time was when I said, let me be. When you overcome your fears, always a nice